Reevo Hubless e-bike. First up is the Reevo Hubless e-bike, a stunning example of futuristic design. This bike eliminates traditional spokes and hubs in favor of a sleek, hubless wheel system. The result is a visually striking ride that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just about aesthetics. Reevo integrates cutting-edge technology for a premium riding experience. It features a powerful 250W motor capable of reaching speeds up to 25 km/h. Security is a top priority with built-in GPS tracking and anti-theft alerts. Plus, it comes with smart features like keyless access and integrated lighting, making it both stylish and practical. Z-TRITON. Next, we have the Z-TRITON, an incredible all-terrain tricycle that excels both on land and water. This versatile machine is designed for adventure seekers who want to explore a variety of environments. On land, it functions as a robust electric tricycle with a cabin and ample cargo space. When you hit the water, it transforms into a boat thanks to its innovative design. Equipped with solar panels and an electric motor, the Z-TRITON offers eco-friendly travel options no matter where you are. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or cruising across lakes, this tricycle provides an unparalleled level of versatility and convenience. Manta5 Hydrofoiler SL3. Introducing the Manta5 Hydrofoiler SL3, a game-changer for water sports enthusiasts. This hydrofoiling e-bike lets you ride on water with a unique floating experience. The SL3 model is lighter and more advanced than previous versions, with improved stability and a streamlined design. As you pedal, the hydrofoils lift the bike above the water, providing a smooth and exhilarating ride. With a powerful electric motor and intuitive controls, the SL3 is perfect for both experienced riders and newcomers. It's an exciting way to enjoy lakes, rivers, and even the ocean, offering a thrilling blend of cycling and water sports. Blade by Rude Cycles. Meet the Blade by Rude Cycles, a custom-built bike that screams performance and style. Designed with a low-slung frame and an aggressive stance, the Blade is engineered for those who want to make a statement. Its robust build and high-performance components are tailored for speed and handling, making it ideal for urban environments. Rude Cycle's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Blade, from its precision engineering to its bold design. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising through a park, the Blade combines functionality with a unique, eye-catching look. Pony4 Bike. Next up is the Pony4 Bike, a remarkable four-wheeled vehicle that offers unmatched stability and functionality. Unlike traditional bikes, the Pony4 features a four-wheel design that makes it incredibly stable, ideal for carrying passengers or heavy loads. It's a practical choice for delivery services, family outings, or anyone needing a reliable ride. The Pony4 also comes with an optional electric assist, making it easier to tackle hills and longer journeys. Its robust design and versatility make it a standout option for both personal and commercial use, proving that innovation can enhance everyday utility. Manta5 Hydrofoiler XE1. Following up on the SL3 is the original Manta5 Hydrofoiler XE1, a pioneering watercraft that started it all. The XE1 was the world's first hydrofoil e-bike, creating a new category of water sports. Its design allows you to glide above the water, giving you a sensation similar to flying. The XE1 features a powerful electric motor and an advanced hydrofoil system that enhances stability and speed. It's built for both adventure and fitness, offering a unique way to enjoy the water. If you're passionate about water sports and want to experience something truly innovative, the XE1 is a must-try. Hydrobikes. Hydrobikes are a fantastic option for those who want to combine cycling with water fun. Unlike hydrofoilers, hydrobikes are designed to stay on the water's surface, making them incredibly stable and easy to ride. They're perfect for leisurely rides on lakes or rivers, and even for activities like fishing. Equipped with pontoons for stability, these bikes offer a smooth, enjoyable ride without the need for extensive water skills. They're also lightweight and easy to transport, making them a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Minson skate bike. Next, we have the Minson skate bike, a unique hybrid that blends the best features of skateboards and bicycles. With a design that combines a skateboard deck with bike handlebars and a seat, the Minson offers a fresh and exciting way to get around. It's compact and foldable, making it ideal for urban commuters who need a portable and fun transportation option. The skateboard-like stance provides a sense of balance and freedom, while the bike components offer added control and comfort. The Minson skate bike is perfect for those who want a novel ride that's both practical and exhilarating. Razor DXT Drift Trike. Get ready to drift with the Razor DXT Drift Trike, a thrill seeker's dream come true. This trike is designed for high-speed drifting and maneuvering, with features that make it perfect for adrenaline junkies. Its heavy-duty steel frame and moto-style handlebars provide stability and control, while the slick rear wheels are specifically designed for drifting. Whether you're hitting the slopes or sliding around a parking lot, the Razor DXT delivers a dynamic and exciting ride. It's all about having fun and pushing the limits, making it a great choice for those who love to test their skills. FURO Aventa. Introducing the FURO Aventa, an electric bike that combines lightweight design with urban practicality. The Aventa is crafted with a carbon fiber frame, making it one of the lightest e-bikes available. This lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for city commuters who need to take their bike on public transport or store it in tight spaces. Despite its light weight, the Aventa doesn't compromise on performance, offering a powerful motor and a range of up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. NuBike. Next is the NuBike, a revolutionary design that redefines how we think about bike mechanics. Instead of a traditional chain, the NuBike features a lever-based propulsion system that offers a more efficient and comfortable riding experience. This unique design reduces strain on your knees and hips, making it ideal for those with joint concerns or anyone looking for a smoother ride. The NuBike's frame is lightweight and streamlined, enhancing both its performance and portability. It's a perfect blend of innovation and practicality, offering a new way to enjoy cycling while addressing common issues faced by traditional bike riders. E-bike Bicicletto. Finally, we have the e-bike Bicicletto, a luxurious electric bike that merges classic motorcycle aesthetics with modern technology. The Bicicletto stands out with its vintage-inspired design, complete with elegant leather seats and retro detailing. Underneath its classic exterior, it boasts a powerful electric motor capable of reaching speeds up to 45 km/h and a range of up to 120 kilometers. The Bicicletto offers a refined riding experience with a touch of sophistication, making it a perfect choice for those who want both style and performance.